I typically use isopropyl alcohol to clean, and it does a pretty good job. Normally it doesn't hurt the finish of the vehicle, and it usually cleans off everything pretty well. But you want to just kind of rub that on a couple times and make sure you get all the wax and anything, residue, dirt, any marks off of the area where you're going to tape and you're going to put the decal on. Next, I'll try to find the center of the hood hinge in the back of the hood. So about where that indentation is, it's just a little bit over 36 inches. So with a wax pencil, I'll just make a center mark at 18 inches. Right there. I'll take a look at my decal and measure it from end to end. I believe it's 25 inches. Our decals are made close to factory specs, which are almost 2 inches tall by 25 inches long. So you can do this a couple different ways. You can find the center of your decal, which is 25, which would be 12 and a half. You can put a center mark there. And since we've got a center mark already on there, you'll know that's where the center is going to be, where the two marks line up. And for measuring factory decals, they're somewhere between 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch off the bottom of the hood. And I've got two pieces of tape. I've got 1 inch and I've got 3/4 of an inch. One way that you can get a line is by taking, let's say, the 3/4 inch tape, bringing it directly above your edge of the hood and just kind of lay it out on the edge. Sometimes I think that these hoods have just a little bit of an arc to them, too. I'm not really sure. So that could be your lineup on the bottom edge. Here's our center line. Then we'll take that decal and we can line that decal up with the center of that. We can run the bottom edge of the lettering right on top of that 3/4 inch tape. I'll take a few pieces of tape just so that I can put it on the top. I think on this one I'll try to do a dry install. On the other side I may show you how to do a different type of installation. So I just tacked 3 pieces of tape on there. We usually have a line drawn at the very bottom edge of the lettering. So I'm going to line up my center line. I'm going to go to the front, put the bottom edge of the lettering at the top of the tape, put the line at the top of the tape, run my 3 pieces of tape across, and what I've got now is basically a hinge. and then I'll make a continuous hinge at the very top. Make sure that you get some of the tape onto the decal and some of the tape onto the hood. And because this hood seems to have a little bit of an arc, I'm going to remove my line-up tape right now. One way that you can make this even easier is, instead of trying to put all of these letters on at one time, you can lift this up, and between the letters you can actually slice this up into smaller pieces. Be careful so you don't use your razor blade onto the finish of the car. Cut them between each of the letters. You can cut them in between each one if you'd like. That makes it a little bit easier to do the install. Just be careful not to get onto the surface of the vehicle, and be careful so you just slice between the letters. So with that, I've got all of these sliced up. With a squeegee, you'll remove the backing, and then just from the top, just start rubbing that letter back down. This makes it pretty simple to install a relatively long piece of vinyl. I always start from the top, work my way down. As you see, I'm not doing any application tape or fluid, I'm just putting them on dry. Being that they're only 2 inches tall, you really don't have much of a decal to work with. Then I take off the hinge portion of my tape. And because we're doing it dry, you really don't have to wait for anything to set up. Everything should be stuck very well to the surface of the vehicle. And then with that hinge off, just to make sure that we have the top surface set, I'll just squeegee that top, and then we'll carefully take the application tape off, and you want to pull it back at what we call a knife edge. Not like this and pull, but like very sharp against the hood and the decal. As you see, it's stuck very well. We use 3M vinyl, and all of the decals are printed. They're not just cut vinyl. 2 colors. This one is a gray with a black outline, and that's how we've done that. Dry method.